Are you fed up of the centralized crypto exchanges being vulnerable and decentralized ones being slow? Take back the control with eXchangily.com, the ultimate solution for the decentralized exchange. eXchangily creates a marketplace for all traders, allowing a peer-to-peer exchange of crypto worldwide quickly. No third-party service will be involved to hack, steal, or manipulate your assets and trades any longer. eXchangily's decentralization brings a fair distribution to a market that is dominated by centralized exchanges. Now, you can trade knowing that trust, respect, and speed are now ensured with your decentralized provider. Centralized exchanges have many fatal flaws. Once tokens are handed over to the owners of the centralized exchange, every year many exchanges are hacked and many go bankrupt. Many owners run away into the distance with your assets, causing many investors to lose millions. A decentralized exchange can never have this risk, as the assets are always in the hands of the investor. eXchangily's consensus-driven rules worldwide mean that this revolutionizes the landscape. eXchangily safeguards the trading of cryptocurrencies on a daily basis. First of all, it is a secure wallet, a private seed key, which can manage thousands of currencies, including BTC, ETH, and FAB, etc. As long as you keep the seed key, your assets are safe and secure. Secondly, you can easily trade digital currency at the drop of a hat. All the coins are secure in your wallet, and you will never lose this control. No need to be transferred to the exchange, as no one can steal or manipulate the exchange anymore. Finally, it is a universal payment terminal that can easily and quickly pay or send any cryptocurrency for whatever product or service you need. Don't get ripped off by your centralized exchange any longer. eXchangily, a world-class solution to all your cryptocurrency needs.